Hey Sunny friends, welcome back or to the Sunny News. This channel covers all the hottest things to do in London as well as sunny destinations around the world. And I am super excited to share my experience with you today because I have waited so long to have one of these, and today is finally the day. This is a key to the Wizard Chambers. Now, the Wizard Chambers is a special area of the Georgian House Hotel in London, and if you haven't guessed already, it's the one hotel I know about in London that offers Harry Potter themed guest rooms, and today I'm giving you a special magical tour of what one room looks like in the Wizard Chambers at the Georgian House in London. Not every room in this 5-star bed and breakfast is Wizard Chamber themed. They're actually in a special section of the hotel. They're in the basement area. If you didn't know where to look, you would probably walk right by the entrance. During my stay here with Mr. Sunny, we got to experience the full range of what the hotel has to offer. We first started with the recently relaunched Cheese Afternoon Tea, which I would say is cheesy, but well, it was. A few hours later, we had the opportunity to enjoy a cocktail making class for wizards. And the drink that we made was kind of tasty, but I really enjoyed the way it came together and the effects it had when you poured all the ingredients into the glass. This room is set up for 4 guests, and as you can see, it is very low lighting. So if that's something that might bother you, you might want to think about that before you plan your stay in a Wizard Chambers. But think about it. If you're going to stay in a Wizard Chambers, wouldn't you want something to be really authentic? I mean, this is how I imagine that Harry Potter's room at Hogwarts would be set up. As you can see from the decor, the Georgian House has really put forth every effort to making its guests who stay in the Wizard Chambers really feel like they're having that possible Hogwarts experience that we all dream about. For a full review of this experience as well as other Harry Potter themed activities that you can do in London, be sure to check the links below. If you found the video valuable, be sure to pin, like, and share it. And as always, thank you for watching.